The Rabbit's Tale. Once upon a time, there was a little rabbit. She lived happily with her mother in a beautiful forest. Every day, the little rabbit liked to play alone in the forest. One morning, after finishing her breakfast, the little rabbit hopped around happily. Soon, she met a little squirrel. The squirrel looked at the rabbit's short tail, then shook his own big fluffy tail and laughed. "Your tail is so short and ugly. Look at mine. It's warm and pretty." The rabbit felt sad, but she said nothing and hopped away. Later, she met a monkey swinging in the trees. The monkey saw her tail and laughed loudly too. "Your tail is useless," he said. "My tail helps me swing from tree to tree." The rabbit felt even sadder. As she walked slowly through the forest, she met a peacock. The peacock opened his bright and beautiful tail like a giant colorful fan. He looked down at the rabbit's tail and said proudly, "Your tail is nothing. My tail is the most beautiful in the whole forest." Now the rabbit began to cry. She hated her short tail so much. She ran to an empty field and sat down quietly. Suddenly, she saw a big balloon lying on the ground. An idea came to her. She tied the balloon tightly to her short tail. Now she had a big, fluffy new tail. The rabbit was very happy. She hopped around the forest, showing off her new tail to everyone. But she didn't notice that a fox was quietly following her. The fox was hungry and wanted to eat her. Suddenly, the fox jumped out and chased the rabbit. "Help! Help!" the rabbit shouted as she ran as fast as she could. But the balloon on her tail was too big and heavy. It slowed her down a lot. She couldn't run as fast as before. Just when the fox was about to catch her, the rabbit pulled hard. Pop! The balloon came off her tail. Now she was light again. She hopped as fast as the wind and ran away. In the blink of an eye, she left the fox far behind. After that, the rabbit went to the river. She looked at her short tail, reflected in the water. Suddenly, she smiled. "My tail is small, but it's useful," she said. "It helps me run fast and keep my balance. It's the best tail for me." Moral of the story: don't envy others or try to be someone else. Your own things are the best for you because they fit you the most.